where Allah said, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ, from the signs of Allah, أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا, that He has created from yourselves spouses, لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا, so that you may find comfort in her. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً, and He's placed between you affection and mercy. إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ, there are indeed signs in this for people who, what? Who think. Rewind and take this ayah bit by bit. Allah said, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ, and from these signs of Allah. Signs of what? From the signs of the oneness of Allah, from the signs of the power of Allah, the capability of Allah Jalla Jalaluh, the sovereignty of Allah Jalla Jalaluh. From His signs is what? That He has created from amongst you spouses. And I find it amazing that this ayah that speaks of marriage as being a sign of Allah is wedged in the middle of a series of ayat that speak about huge things. And then all of a sudden you have the topic of marriage that appears as another one of the signs of Allah. Ajib when you think about it. I'll demonstrate. The ayah before it, what does Allah say? وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَكُم مِّن تُرَابٍ ثُمَّ إِذَا أَنْتُمْ بَشَرٌ تَنْتَشِرُونَ. From the signs of Allah is that He created you from the earth. Then you became human beings, scattered on the land. This is a sign of Allah, something mighty. And then the ayah after our ayah, what does He say? وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ خَلْقُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَاخْتِلَافُ أَلْسِنَتِكُمْ وَأَلْوَانِكُمْ. From the signs of Allah is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the different languages that you speak and your different colors. These are huge signs of Allah. The ayah after it, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ مَنَامُكُمْ بِاللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ. From the signs of Allah is how you sleep during the night and day. The ayah after it, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ يُرِيكُمُ الْبَرْقَ خَوْفًا وَطَمَعًا. From the signs of Allah is that He shows you lightning, causing you hope and fear. وَيُنَزِّلُ مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً. And He brings rain down upon you. Signs of Allah. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَن تَقُومَ السَّمَاءُ وَالْأَرْضُ بِأَمْرِهِ. From the signs of Allah is how He maintains the heavens and the earth by His command. ثُمَّ إِذَا دَعَاكُمْ دَعْوَةً مِنَ الْأَرْضِ إِذَا أَنْتُمْ تَخْرُجُونَ. Then when He calls you from the earth, one calling, you will emerge. So sign after sign after sign that all indicate the oneness of Allah. Some speaking about the heavens and the earth, and some speaking about lightning and rain, and some speaking about the resurrection, and some speaking about our creation. And then all of a sudden you have from the signs of Allah is marriage. Ajib, subhanallah, because it is a sign. It is a miracle that is no less in magnificence than the other signs that you just heard.